This is Engineering Toys Lesson 6, Batteries Included. So in this lesson, students are going to be learning how to use a battery, a light bulb, and a wire to create a circuit, and then they're going to create a quiz toy using their batteries and their light bulbs. So to start, students should be given one piece of wire, a battery, and a light bulb, and try to figure out how to make a circuit with it. Once they figure that out, they can draw it in their student workbook. To do so, students should just wrap one end around the light bulb, touch that to the battery, and then touch the other end to the other end of the battery, the negative end and the positive end. Like so, and the light bulb should light up. So once students have done that and they figure that out, they should make observations and notice that it's kind of difficult to hold the battery in place. So for the next part of the experiment, you're going to give them a battery holder and another wire. And students have to use all of these supplies to create their circuit. So to do so, students should, of course, place the battery in the battery holder and use the clips on the battery holder to attach the wires, like so. Students will notice they still have to hold the light bulb in order to get it to light, like so. The next part of the experiment, give the students a light bulb holder and one extra wire, and explain to them that they need to use all of these supplies, and make sure that they're drawing what they're doing in their student workbooks. So to do this, students should attach their extra wire to the light bulb holder, screw the light bulb into place, making sure that the bottom of the light bulb is making contact with the metal sheet beneath it, then attaching one wire from the battery also to the light bulb holder. Students should note that now, in order to make it light, they have to touch the two wires together. So now students have a basic understanding of the circuitry of the light bulb. They're going to assemble their question toy. So to do so, they're going to need one of these question sheets, so have them cut these out, and then write whatever kind of quiz they want on it. So, for example, I have A here and A here, so it can be question A and answer A on their sheet. You're going to need a box, 12 Bradleys, and 6 wires per student. To assemble the box, you're going to want to fold in these two tabs, push those in, then fold the box in half, like so. Finally, you're going to want to fold the sides in as you do so this part can be a little bit tricky. So make sure that you fold in each side at the same time, just to make it a little easier to work with, like so. And then the box should look like this. So you can have students tape this in place if they need to, or just tuck the tabs in so it stays together like so. Now students are going to notice the holes in the top of the box. So what they're going to want to do is tape their quiz down between the two rows of holes on the top of the box. So you can use some masking tape included in the kit to do so, just like this. Okay. Now students should place the Bradleys through each of the holes on the top of the box. When students have the Bradleys inserted in the box and folded in on the other side, they need to connect the correct answer using the extra wires. So for example, students will find the Bradley for question A, and clip the wire in like so, kind of fold it in so it stays in place. Just like that. And then find the answer, the correct answer for question A. Again, kind of fold the Bradley over on itself, like so, and the wire as well, so it stays in place like so. And students need to do this for all the questions and all the answers. Once students have all the wires in place and the correct answers connected to the correct question, the inside of their box should look something like this. So students can close their box and then use their existing battery and light bulb to check if they're correct. For example, if they touch question A to answer A, they will observe that the light bulb lights up. But if they touch question A to answer D, nothing will happen. That's because the circuit is not being connected. So students can then quiz themselves and quiz other classmates using their quiz boxes and their light bulb toys. And that concludes this unit.